Hello and welcome to How to Guide. I'm going to teach you how you can save your streams on Twitch. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Go ahead and open twitch.tv on any of your browser and go to your profile on the top right hand side. Then click on Create a Dashboard. After you click on Create a Dashboard, you can find Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings and go to Stream. So there will be something like Save. So you can click on Save and it will be saved. It's not being shown over here because this is a new account. What else you can do is click on this Disconnect Protection. Improve the viewing experience for your stream by enabling a backup in the event for your stream is disconnected. If your primary stream fails, automatically display a temporary visual for viewers for 90 seconds while you troubleshoot and reconnect. So you can see your stream will be saved even though your disconnection problem is being shown. And if you scroll a bit down, you can see the Store Past Broadcast over here. So you must enable this and you see that automatically save broadcast for up to 7 days. You must enable this and all of your previous streams will be saved and the viewers can view your stream as well. So it will enable your views to increase and your streams to increase. And you can also enable clips over here under the clip settings, which you can see. So if these are turned off, you can go ahead and enable it over here. So after you do that, you can see that the featured clips is also here. So you can go ahead and enable this as well. So I'm going to teach it to you once again. First of all, what you need to do is go to twitch.tv on any of your browser you have. Then you can go to Profile on the top right hand side and then click on Creator Dashboard. On the left hand side, you can see Settings. Tap on Settings and click on Stream. Then you can see that this is the stream key and preferences and the stream option where you can edit all of the settings. You can go through these. So this will be very helpful for creating a better stream and creating a lot of viewers. So you can enable Disconnect Protection and go down and under the VOD settings. If this is turned off, turn on the Store Past Broadcast. It automatically saves broadcasts for up to 7 days, 14 days for affiliates, 60 days for partners, Turbo and Prime users. So just go ahead and enable it and the viewers can stream the past streams which you had conducted. You can also click Always Publish VODs, so the VODs will be published by default. If you toggle off, the VODs will be unpublished by default. So you can also exclude the category of your streams which you want to store on the past broadcasts. So you can write down which stream you want to exclude. After that, you can enable the clips and enable the Feature This Clip setting as well. This way you can save all of your previous streams on Twitch. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.